For drinkware wise, recently a lot of inquiries on Stoke. Basically, this is a ceramic mug. So the good thing is, wait, let me try to open this up. Okay, so this is a ceramic mug. The wonderful thing is it's anti-shatter, so no matter how you drop on the floor or whatever, it will not break. And then this, you don't have to worry that it will get stained, color stained, and neither will like your smell of like coffee or anything lingers in the cup. So this one has this function, and it's totally so when you put it in your handbag, you don't have to worry that it's anti-spill, so you don't have to worry that water will come off. This is something that is quite sought after recently.